I'm actually being honest. Okay, so I have my 2 kids and I find it very difficult to date. And I feel like, men tend to feel a bit intimidated by me, and I've had this said about me a lot. I drive a very nice car, I have a very successful job, I earn a lot, I kind of don't really know, I find it hard to even ask a man to do anything for me because I have my 2 kids and I never want a man to feel like that's his responsibility. So what advice would you give to me in terms of maybe trying to, I don't know.
I think it depends. If you come across a man, I'm not a man, you understand? I'm not a man, but if you come across a man and you're like, oh, I've got a car, I've got this, I'm a career person, all of that. I think there's a fine line between pride, you understand, being full of yourself, and being a woman who is, you understand, a lot of all these things I've been through don't define me. It just means that I know who I am, I know where I'm going. How can I, as a helpmate, help you with a lot of this? I think I think some men would actually find, I'm not a man again, like I said, if I find a woman that is successful, with all of that, it depends on how you come across. I can actually think that if I was a man, if I see someone that's successful like you, it's like, oh, she's got a lot to bring to the table. She is a good thing. But knowing that with all of that, you know your role as a woman. So it's like, okay, this is what I've got. This is how can I be of help to you? Because at the end of the day, this is my role as what God has done is for me to help you. Okay, this is what I've got. how can I help? But when I think the problem is, oh, I've got car, I've got shoes, I've got it. Remember, what's that song? I've got it, all of that. So it's just like, tone it down. In my relationship with God, I always try to look for areas where I'm proud and where I'm humble. Humility is one of the greatest things for me now. It's the greatest journey. Pastor that just left, I went for her program and it was so beautiful, the way she did it in February. And the Holy Spirit was telling me, speak to her, get her here. But I was so intimidated by her program and the whole of everything. I just ignored the Holy Spirit's voice. But after a while, I had to go back to her and I told her exactly. I said, you know what? I should have called you weeks ago, you mean I knew it, but I felt intimidated. I don't even know whether it was a pride thing. I don't know whatever it is. So for me, it's always, I should laugh. She said, oh, Pastor, okay. I was like, I'm telling you the truth because these are the areas that God is dealing with me. So there's nothing wrong with you being successful. There's nothing wrong. I think maybe not just pushing it in the face. You understand? Always coming from a place of humility because the Lord, you know what the Bible talks about? He would humble the proud and exalt. You understand? So you should be always look at it as that good thing. And to be honest with you, the good thing is not the things you got. I think it's more about the character. The character. I've answered the question. Okay? Yeah? Okay? Yeah?